His old guitar, a suitcase full of broken hearts. Got my mama's smile and a baby blue eye. I ain't got much, but what I got's mine. And I roll like I roll. I got an open road and a restless soul. The Rolling Stones on the radio, and I roll like I roll, 'cause I roll like I roll. I roll like the hills under the California sun, burn through the desert like the devil on the run. I'll be flying high until the day that I die, no matter what they say. At the end of the day, I will roll like I roll. Well, there's a lot of people gonna try to bring you down. They got a lot of rules, they're gonna try to put you out. I keep looking up in this world full of doubt. I roll like I roll. I roll like the hills under the California sun, burn through the desert like the devil on the run. I'll be flying high until the day that I die, no matter what they say. At the end of the day, I'm not gonna let it slip away, 'cause I'd rather burn it out than to let it fade. I got an open road and a restless soul. The Rolling Stones on the radio, and I roll like I roll. I roll through the hills of my old Kentucky home, back to the place where my heart belongs. I'll be flying high till the day that I die, no matter what they say. At the end of the day, I did it my way.
Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light, when the moon is tucked away. Pistons pumping, minds are racing. It's hard to sleep, man, when I'm shaking. Bad news surrounds me, it's always found me creeping up when things are good. Yeah, the dark days find a way. Loud thunder, heavy rain, thin line between joy and pain. It's a long, strange trip, it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike. Sometimes the only light, when the moon is tucked away. The camera captures all the things that make us turn from what we see. It's always rolling, it don't stop rolling. I haven't slept in 3 damn days. Yeah, but who needs that anyway? it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, thin line of a lightning strike is sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. You ain't never gonna be the same. Living life through the night, that line of a lightning strike is sometimes the only light when the moon is tucked away. Loud thunder, heavy it's all insane. You ain't never gonna be the same. Loud thunder, heavy rain. Loud thunder, heavy rain.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all like it is. I never counted on nepotism. It wasn't all laid out for me. I started off from a crawl, worked my way up to my knees. I know one way of doing things. I come from that side of life where folks don't bathe in the morning, they take their baths at night. At the end of a long, hard day, I'm making my way. I like to roll with similar souls on any given Friday night. And I know there ain't much redemption in drinking beer and telling lies. But it's a damn good way for a good old boy to know he ain't alone, and to forget the pile of BS he put up with all week long. And when the boys ask me how I am, I say, I'm making my way. Yeah, and I ain't never caught the view from the window of a king, but the common man don't tend to miss what he ain't never seen. Yeah, and I ain't got it bad as some, but then again I ain't quite got it made. No. But I'm making my way.